Got to get this job going. Still got a little bit of work to do because of that. Set me back. You know, it's always something. But either way, I basically got loose now. But I want to show you exactly how you got to do this to make this happen, right? It's not very difficult, but basically they work like this. Tighten this down, make it bigger. Do with the jaws like this, okay? You just grab on. And then you tighten it down. And when this twist, so you tighten it down, when you let it grab on, and you twist it, it will naturally lock and grab, and it'll literally pop it right on. It took me literally half a turn. I mean, if that, and it was nothing to it. And now we have this. So voila, she's off and she's done. And really, it wasn't that bad. I think somebody tightened it because she did have a oil leak. Maybe they thought it was here, but it wasn't. I don't know. But there you go. It's a nice dirty oil. And that's all it took was the old pipe wrench. Let me show you what she looks like. Ow! You can see what I'm talking about. And there is your bolt. This is what was giving me all that trouble. All that trouble, literally. All this trouble over what? Oh, yeah, she's pretty nice and nasty looking. She got beat up pretty good. You can clearly see. She just needed the whole pipe wrench action. I've got about every size there is. I think it's, then I have these guys. So you name it, I've got the tool, right? You ever had that day you just can't get that oil pan bolt off? These are great, but yeah, none of them's working. You know, I tried smashing on it. Well, not that one, but I was using that to hit it on with. These guys, you name it, I've got different bits. Something should go on there and grab it, right? Yeah, you think so too. Is that like a 16 pin inside? Try to smash a 14 on there. That's not doing it. It's just free spinning, slipping on it. So you know what? Even extended ones. So at the end of the day, here we go. This is the whole catch here. Wake up and get your shit together and realize this, okay? It ain't coming off unless you do it right. So I decided to get out number one mechanic's best friend. Let me show you how this is done too. But voila. The old pipe wrench. Let me tell you, nothing quite works like a pipe wrench. It works for a lot of jobs. It really is, truly, my best friend today. And it could be your best friend. With a pipe wrench. And I thought about it yesterday. I was like, I should probably get the pipe wrench out. But, I'm hard-headed. I want to try not to use a pipe wrench. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So just your basic pipe wrench. Literally, I think this was 10 to 12 bucks. Probably have it in your house. Doesn't got to be anything huge. 14-inch works perfect for a oil bolt. So, in conclusion, go get yourself a pipe wrench. Get the trench right in here if you got to. Grab onto it, and literally, it'll do the trick too. These teeth actually extend the grab, so yeah, you see it. So if you hold it, make sure if you don't work one way, you flip it around, but they will grab it off, guaranteed. Better than any strip bolt remover you can get. Now, strip bolt removers are good for like tires, stuff you can't fit a pipe wrench in. But if it's got a head sticking out, there you go. And right here's your oil filter, guys. Make sure you always put this gasket back up top. Always. How many mechanics I see leave that off? But anyway, that's the oil filter. So now that this is done, I can start getting back to work and finishing my stuff. That was just insane. There you go. And so finish up the valve cover on this. A few other things over on my code reader. But there you go. Pipe wrench. Hope you learned something today. And you're welcome, because that was a pain in my ass. Not something I enjoyed at all. And if you have one of my trusty dusty little old thingies, they work great for even these filters. Just set it right there temporarily, but there she goes. She's about done draining. I'll probably hand tighten her back on for now. Get this wrapped back up. Go get him a lug nut. I gotta get going though. He might have just texted me. So, all right, guys. Good luck. And sorry, but I had to show you. 30 seconds. All right, later. Be good. Like and subscribe. As always, get yourself a pipe wrench.